Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ruben the Raccoon. I will tell you how to make the body and the ears in 2 other videos. You just need to refer to the next section of the video here, the second, to know which colors to make them, but you can see them here anyway. Let's get started. Alright, so what you're going to need is a body made in gray. I chose silver steel. 2 ears made in black and white. And then we will now make a tail. So start with some black yarn. Make a magic ring. And then single crochet 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now just do a single crochet increase in each stitch around. Okay. Now, slip stitch, the next stitch, and then you're going to take white, there we go, just like that, or change it however you like. Chain 1. Oop. Don't know what happened. And single crochet in each stitch around. Change to black. Like that. Slip stitch. And then chain, and then single crochet stitch around, and then go back and forth doing this and do till you have 3 rows of each color, not counting your little circle at the base. Once you've done that, it should look like this. Take off the white, stuff the ends in. Add some stuffing. And then single crochet in each stitch around one more time with the black. And then slip stitch. And fasten off, leaving a long tail for sewing. Like that. Now it's time to make the eye patches. You're going to need black. Slip knot. Chain 2. And single crochet 3. And that second chain from your hook. Chain 1. And single crochet 2 in each of the stitches. And you should have 6 single crochet chain 1, and turn, and single crochet increase in the first stitch, single crochet, single crochet increase, single crochet, but in that last single crochet is going to change to white, like that. And now do 2 single crochet increases. And that is the right eye patch. Oops, chain 1, and then that's not. Same with the black, just snap it off. And now start with the black again. Basically doing the same thing, but the white bit goes in a different place. So chain 2, work. Sorry about the black. Sorry, black's hard to see. I probably should have done this a different color. And do 3 single crochet. Chain 1. Single crochet increase in each stitch to be 6 stitches. But this time, in the last one, change to white. So in the 6th stitch, change to white. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet increase, and then again single crochet increase, but change to black in that last stitch. And you want to have the color change on the front because, no, sorry, I'll take that back. You want to pull that around the back. Change color, and then single crochet, and the next stitch you single crochet increase, next one's a single crochet, the last one is a single crochet increase. Oh, these last ones are always the hardest. There we go. There we go. Alright, now chain 1, long tail, snap it off, fasten off, send to white, snap it, that is your left and right eye patches. Now you're going to take 2 16mm, 16 or 12, sorry, my bad, let me check real quick, always forget. I'm pretty sure it's 12. Yeah, 12. Alright, so 2 12mm. 16 if you have a looser tension. And you stick them right about here. Something like that. And then on the other side, same thing. Oh, sometimes they have these little imperfections. I just trim them off. Scissors. Shapes. Oof, these ones are tough. And now you're all done with all of your pieces except for the muzzle. And we'll do that next. You're going to need black yarn. Sorry, no, you're just going to need the white yarn this time. White yarn and another eye. Make your magic ring. and single crochet 5 into it. 3, 4, 5, and then close the ring. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet increase at each stitch around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. And now single crochet in each stitch round. So 1, 2, 3, 10. Alrighty. Now slip stitch. That's not the long tail, so we can sew that on. And then stick that 12 millimeter eye in the center there. You can also use a smaller one, like a 10 millimeter. That will give you a different size in the nose, but depending on your tension, it may not stay in as well. It might actually get shoved inside there, and you really don't want that. Tighter. Just pull your magic. Again. These are hard. Now gather up all your pieces, and we will assemble Ruben. You can already see his face. Look at that. Alrighty. So to start, we're going to take his tail and quickly sew it on here. So I'm going to put it right there, side bottom center. His tail quite long. All right. And now stitch it right on. Next one. You can use your preferred method. This is just how I sew. For the most part. You could also whip stitch it. But I find that won't hold it on as well as going all the way through. And this is the point, oops. This is the point where you'll need to add a little bit more stuffing if you need it. I think mine needs it, so I'll just add a little more. There we go. All right, and then tie that off. And out through tail, little tug, snip, reshape it, and there's his tail. All right. So now the way to put the ears on, this is the same for my other Amis, but you're gonna now, if put the tail like this so it's straight, so it's centered. Flatten out the body, and then along this line here on the center is where you're going to sew the ears. This is where I do whip stitch them on these way, but I go through both thicknesses. So we'll do that, and remember these are on the bottom corner. So it goes here, and then there, right? So sew those on like that, and then I'll see you here in a second. Alright, so now you're going to take your muzzle, and the reason I didn't have you cut off the tail end is it makes it easier to thread the end through, find the center, and then thread it in. Now if you did cut it off, it's not a big deal. This just makes it easier to keep it centered while you sew it on. Alright, see? Like that. Now, thread, needle. Now you can stuff this, but usually the safety eye is plenty to keep it. However you want to see that. So just do this the same way I showed you with the tail, or however you want to do it, and just sew around. Okay, now that's done. You're going to take your eye patches and put them on, and sew around them like this. Sew around them, but on the white section use the white, and on the black section use the black strands. Pull all the other ends through. You can do that if you want to help hold them on as well before you start sewing. And then once done with that, you'll sew on this on the bottom, stuff him, and Ruben will be done. Alrighty. I've got mine sewn on. I decided to put it a little bit further apart. I don't know. I like that. I like the way that looks. Now, if you go back to the body video, it'll show you how to whip stitch on the bottom and stuff it. Go ahead and do that, and be back here, or don't. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you all next time.